Hey, Tyson Curtis here, the founder of the Open Jacket Network, the system that you're looking at right now. I'm going to show you my dashboard here in a second. But why did I build this? Why did I build the Open Jacket Network? Well, the reason I did it was because there's only 24 hours in a day, and I wanted to kick time in the butt. What do I mean by that? What I have found when I was selling over the last decade is when I would present a product to somebody, if they didn't buy, I just lost time. Now, if they did buy, I just traded time for money, right? And I sold something one time. So what I found is by using the internet and using picks and shovels and tools, there's tools out there online that will help us basically clone ourselves. There are simple tools like YouTube, where when you shoot a video one time, like this video that you're watching right now, people are going to watch that over and over and over and over again. So there might even be 500 or 1,000 people that watch this particular video that we're doing right now, but I only had to do the presentation one time. And because I only had to do it one time and it's been shown over and over and over again, what if I got 5 sales out of that? What if I got 10 sales out of that? What if I got 1,000 sales out of that? Every time I got a sale, I'm kicking time in the butt. Okay, so that's one way to kick time in the butt, is to build yourself up to where you use picks and shovels online to basically clone yourself all over the internet. Now, the real way, the real secret, guys, to becoming a success online is to get others to promote your videos. So kind of like this video that you guys are watching right now, I'm sure you guys are going to take this video as soon as I'm done with it, because you guys are my members or you are my affiliates, and you're going to share this all over Facebook, and you're going to share it on, you're going to share it all over online, right? So thank you so much. I just want to say thank you for you sharing this video. But really, the way that I've found the easiest way to kick time in the butt is to get members and affiliates like yourself to share my content. And I want to share with you guys that it's possible for you to do exactly what I did through owning a system, kind of like the Open Jacket Network. How many of you would like to own a system like the Open Jacket Network, where up here in the upper left-hand corner, instead of it saying Open Jacket Network, it actually has your brand, your name, your company. And then over here, as far as the domain name, it would be your domain name. So you can have your own replicated system, would obviously be the smartest way to go, right? Now, some of you are like, that would be really cool, but, I just don't have confidence in myself to build my own system like you've done. It looks like a lot of work. Well, check this out. I've been working with a company called Lead System Network. They're launching Lead System Network 2.0. And in your Open Jacket back office, if you go down here and you click on the bonus, you can watch some videos that I've put back here for you. But down below, you'll see where you can actually get access on a 14-day trial. When you go through here, you can watch some of these videos. And below each video, you'll see you can go ahead and get access to it. But check this out. I've partnered with them, and I've taken and been working with them. And through that process, we've put together a simple system, kind of like the Open Jacket Network, so you guys can have the same layout that I have here, the Open Jacket Network, that's already done for you. You just get to change your logo and your domain name, and you guys can have your own replicated system, and then you could do exactly what I'm doing with like the Open Jacket Network, and you can get others to show and share you all over the internet. So really, that's the way that you kick time in the butt, is you have to get people to share your stuff. In relation to online marketing, there's also offline marketing. And I'm sure you guys have run into those people who have books. They write up a book and they hand them out at conventions and whatnot. They're normally the top leader in the company, and they always get a walk on stage, right? They're the stage walkers. Some of us are the stage sitters, the ones that sit down in the audience and watch the stage walkers. Well, look, if you want to learn how to be a stage walker, the LSN 2.0, I'm putting in a training over there. It's called the Entrepreneur University that you'll be able to get over there. And again, you just go down here to the bonus, and you can go ahead and click on, get your account for a 14-day trial. And when you click this button right here, it's going to take you to a page that looks kind of like this. And all you simply do is click Add to Cart. And when you click Add to Cart, it takes you to a page like this. You fill out your account, follow the steps. It's just follow the bouncy ball. I mean, that's another way to kick time in the butt, is if you can teach all of your members and affiliates how to follow the bouncy ball. If you guys notice, Open Jacket Network, there's getting started videos. That's,
okay, welcome to navigate.
Following step 1. Then you have K through 6, and then my members, they just follow the bouncy ball. If you can make things that simple for people, you could build very large teams. But if you're trying to do it belly to belly right now, you're doing it the hard way. You're trading time for money. So I want to encourage everybody to grab an account over here at Lead System Network and go through the Entrepreneur University. Once you get in your back office over there, and actually, let me just log into Lead System Network so you guys can kind of see how it's designed and how it's set up over there. I'll go ahead and log into the back office. And when I log in, you'll see it looks a lot like the Open Jacket Network, and I have follow the bouncy ball. I got step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. We've got Pro University even. We got Entrepreneur University. You'll have to take a look at those. You can try it out. It's like $1 for 14 days, so go ahead and go try that out. The layout is a lot like the Open Jacket Network, so you won't get lost once you get over there. But just click on the bonus and grab that free account. And back to what I was saying about the books and stuff. You have all these gurus out there that are writing their own books, and then they have their team share those books. Well, when they do that, those people that wrote the books are getting all the authority, all the edification. And people normally like to join popular people who have all the tools, right? The ones that create the tools. Well, look, we're going to teach you over at LSN 2.0 how to be the one that people join, make you an authority figure, because you're going to have your own system just like I have, like the Open Jacket Network, okay? So you're going to have your own system, and you're going to be able to do your own logos and your own domains. People are going to start joining you, and the tools that you create, yes, it's cool that you created a YouTube video because it's going to go and be shown over and over and over again out there. And some of you that are watching this video right now are like, well, I already have capture pages and landing pages with the company that I'm in. Well, yeah, you're promoting the company that you're in. You don't want to be promoting the company. You see what I'm saying here? The company, the reason they give you those tools is because they're trying to get edified. They're using your time to edify their company. Instead of promoting them, you should be promoting you. So it's time for you to come out to your own brand, kind of like I did with the Open Jacket Network. It's time for you guys to see what I saw about 3 years ago and just say, you know what? It's a little scary, but I'm going to go ahead and get my own system. I'm going to build my own system. And you guys can do that, okay? I know you guys can do that, and I'm going to train you guys on how to do that as well. I had trainers and I had mentors and I had coaches teach me how to build systems like this, the Open Jacket Network, and I want to teach you guys how to own a system like the Open Jacket Network. So if you want me to teach you how to build systems and how to build a system like I did, like the Open Jacket Network, and you're tired of following after, guru and guru and guru, and you want to be the guru yourself, you've got to grab the bonus and you've got to grab an account. It's $1 for 14 days. Go ahead and go try it out. And then, once you do that, start going through my training, you'll start seeing success. See you guys over there. Go ahead and inbox me as soon as you guys grab it. You guys all have my Facebook ID. Let me know on Facebook that you went ahead and you grabbed the bonus. And then as soon as you grab the bonus, I'll go ahead and add you to our secret bonus group that it's my Entrepreneur University Facebook training group. I'll go ahead and add you to that. But make sure that you guys go over and you get it first, and then I'll help you guys out. I'll see you guys over there. Thanks for stopping by.